Good morning, students. In today's class, we will discuss about rational numbers and the properties of rational numbers. And today we are going to discuss about the representation of rational numbers. Representation of rational numbers on the number line. Okay. In earlier classes, in earlier year classes, when you have seen how to represent the integers, whole numbers on the number line. Okay. Then here the number line. Then this is the infinite length. Okay. This is the infinite length. Here the midpoint of number line is 0. Okay. Then right side of 0. Then move to the right. Move towards the right side. Then all the positive integers. Okay. Here the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then these are the equal length between the two digits. Okay, equal length between 0 to 1, 1 to 2, then 3 to 4. Then this is 1 unit, 1 to 2, 1 unit, then 2 to 3, 1 unit. Okay. Then here the left of 0, the left of 0. Then move towards the left is the -1, -2, -3, -4. Okay. Then you have seen how to represent the whole numbers. The whole numbers starts from 0. The integers are the positive and the negative and together with the 0. These are the integers. Here the 2, the -2 on a number line. Here the -2 on the number line. Then +3. Here the +3 on a number line. Then today we are going to represent of a rational numbers. Okay, the rational numbers in the form of p by q. The form of p by q. You will take an example. 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Here the 1 by 2 is a rational number. The 1 is in the place of q. Then 2 is in the place of 1 is in the place of p, and then q is in the 2 is in the place of q. Again, this is a rational number. Here 1 by 2. Here the numerator is smaller than denominator. When the numerator is smaller than denominator, okay, then this rational number lies between the 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Okay. Here the 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means in the decimal form of 1 by 2 is 0.5. Here the 0.5 is the half of 1. The half of 1 is 0 to 1. It means the numerator is lesser than denominator. Numerator is lesser than denominator means then this rational number lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Then this is a positive rational number. This is a positive rational number means then here the positive numbers are towards the right side of a 0. Okay. Here for example -1 by 2. Then the -1 by 2 is a negative rational number. Then it is also lies between a 0 and -1. 0 and -1. Because the numerator is lesser than denominator. Numerator is lesser than denominator means then it is lies between the 0 and -1. Here then for example here the numerator then this is a -1 and +1 by 2. Okay. Then this 1 by 2 and -1 by 2 is lies between the 0 and 0, 1 and the 0, -1. Okay. Then these numbers are not necessary. Here we take the number line. We need a number from 0 to 1. Here 0, 0. This one is 1 and this one is -1. -1. Here the numerator is lesser than denominator means that these two rational numbers are lies between 0 to 1 and 0 to -1. Here the negative -1 by 2 is lies between 0 and -1, and positive 1 by 2 is lies between 0 and 1. Okay, here now here the denominator of a rational number is 2. Denominator of a rational number is 2. Then it tells the parts of, okay, it tells the parts. Here the two parts, here the two parts. Okay, here the length, then 0 to 1 is a 1 unit. 1 unit. Here the 1 unit, then divided into two equal parts. Divided into two equal parts. For example, then 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Here, then this also the lies between 2 and 3. The 2 by 3 is a, here the numerator is smaller than denominator. The numerator is smaller than denominator. Then this rational number also lies between the 0 and 1. Here the denominator is 3. Denominator is 3. The denominator is 3 means then divide the length into three equal parts. Three equal parts. Here then 5 by, here 5 by 9. 5 by 9. Here the denominator is 9. Here the numerator is 5. Here the 5 is smaller than 9. Means the numerator. The condition is numerator is lesser than denominator. Then this rational number also lies between 0 and 1. Here the 9. The 9 is a denominator. The 9 is a denominator means then divide the 1 unit. Then divide the 1 unit into 9 equal parts. 9 equal parts. Here the 9 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And this is 9. Okay, here this one is 1 by 9, then next 2 by 9, then 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 5 by 9, then 6 by 9, 7 by 9, then 8 by 9, and this one is 9 by 9 means 1. 9 by 9 means 1. Okay, then only consider here the how many parts? 9 parts. Okay, these in then the denominator indicates the number of parts, number of equal parts. Okay, and these number of parts is lies between the 0 and 1 because this rational number is then the numerator is smaller than denominator. Okay, here the 5 by 9, here it is 5 by 5 by 9. Okay, here minus, take an example, minus 2 by 5. Minus 2 by 5. Here minus 2 by 5. Here the minus 2 by, the minus means here then towards the left side of a 0. Towards the left side of 0. Here 0. Minus 2 by 5. Then again minus 2. The minus 2 is smaller than 5. Minus, here the numerator is smaller than denominator. It means then this rational number is lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. 0 and minus 1. Here the sign is minus. Here the left side. Then towards the left side of a 0. Here the number of parts. The denominator indicates number of the denominator represents the number of parts. Okay, here the how many parts? Then here the denominator is 5 is the 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this one is 5. 5 by 5 minus 1. Here minus 1 by 5, minus 2 by 5, minus 3 by 5, minus 4 by 5. And this is minus 5 by 5 means 1. Okay, here the minus 2 by 5. Here it is 2 by 5. Here the minus 2 by 5. Okay, understand? This condition is numerator is lesser than denominator, and that is lies between 0 and 1. Here the second condition is numerator example 5 by 4. The 5 by 4 is a positive rational number. Okay, positive rational number. Here the 5 by 4 is a positive rational number means then digits are then towards the right side of a 0. Here the 0, 1, and this is 0, and this one 1, and this is 2. Okay, and already you know the denominator indicates the number of equal parts between the one unit. Here then how many parts? The 4 equal parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here this is 1 by 4 and this is 2 by 4 and this one 3 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and this is 4 by 4. Then 4 by 4 is nothing but 1. Okay, this is 1. The next, here the 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Then our rational number is 5 by 4. Then 5 by 4 means again divide the next unit into 4 equal parts. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, here the 4 by 4. This is 5 by 4 and this one is 6 by 4 and this one is 7 by 4 and this is 8 by 4. 8 by 4 is nothing but 2. 4 2s are. Okay, here the 5 by 4. This is 5 by 4. The rational number on the number line. Take minus. Here minus 6 by 5. Minus 6 by 5. Again, the numerator is greater than denominator. Numerator is greater than denominator. Then this is the negative rational number. And towards the left side of a 0. Towards the left side of a 0. 0. Okay. Then the 1. This one minus 2 and this one minus 1. Okay, here the denominator is 5. The denominator is 5 is then divides the length of a unit into 5 equal parts. 5 equal parts here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here this is minus 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5 and this one is minus 2 by 5. And this one is minus 3 by 5 and this one is minus 4 by 5 and this one is minus 5 by 5. The minus 5 by 5 is nothing but minus 1. 5 ones are 5 ones are. Here the number rational number is 6. Okay, then 6 is more than minus 1. More than minus 1 means then again divide the next unit into 5 equal parts. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one is 5. Here 5 by 5. This one is minus 6 by 5, minus 7 by 5, minus 8 by 5, minus 9 by 5. Minus 9 by 5. Here where it is minus 6 by 5. This is minus 6 by 5. Okay, this is the rational numbers on the representation of rational numbers on a number line. Here the two conditions. One is the numerator is lesser than denominator, and that rational numbers, the negative or positive number, lies between the 0 and the positive rational number 0 and lies between 0 and 1. The negative rational number lies between the 0 and minus 1. Here the second condition is numerator is greater than denominator. The numerator is greater than denominator, then that are not lies between 0 and 1, and the lies between 1 and 2, 2 and 3, okay, 4 and 5. Then this is a positive rational number, the representation of a positive rational number on a number line, and this one is a